Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unboxing by Ashnam. Today we will be unboxing this leather crossbody bag from KORS, so let's get into it. This is the Ginny medium pebbled leather crossbody bag in the color berry. The original price for this bag is $228, but I got it on sale for $114. I love the sleek design of this bag, and it's the perfect size for day-to-day use and more. It has quickly become my new favorite bag because it's just so simple but elegant, and the berry color is so pretty. The chain accents and removable tassel really add a bit of spice to the whole purse. This purse makes any outfit look 10 times better. This purse is actually made out of 100% pebbled leather, and the strap is adjustable. It can go from 21.5 inches to 23.5 inches. There are two pockets in the inside of the bag. One is a zipper and the other is a slip pocket. That's all for today's video. I'm really excited to use this bag more often. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more unboxing videos. Bye bye!